Hi, my name's Oksana Slivko. Welcome to my presentation about Hyatt Hotel Corporation. Hyatt Hotel Corporation is one of the most successful companies in the world to work for, and my presentation represents it. First, the Hyatt Corporation values include respect, honesty, humanity, innovation, and fun. Next, according to Vanessa George, responses from 310,000 employees showed the high level of Hyatt's workplace culture. Hyatt workplace culture includes fairness, great reward system, and trust in managers. So we can realize that Hyatt has people-focused policy. And that fact that Hyatt Corporation has people-focused policy showed by the diagram. The diagram 1.1 Hyatt Human-Centered Design Thinking. The diagram includes 5 steps of thinking. The first and second is learning and define the problem. The first one is learning, the next one is define the problems. Next one is brainstorm of ideas how to resolve the problems. After that is to form a prototype how to resolve the problem. And last one step is to test the results. So we can conclude that work for Hyatt Corporation is very beneficial because Hyatt Corporation has people-focused policy which concentrates on the results to be the best employer with satisfied employees. Next, let's review the requirements of employment, especially some requirements for accounts receivable position. According to the website jobsearch.hyatt.com, a job applicant for staff accountant accounts receivable position should have qualifications such as degree in accounting or hospitality management, knowledge in Microsoft Office, Opera System, and Oracle program, and last, 1 to 3 years of experience in accounting. Consequently, I have to work on improving my qualification. The first, I have to get an accounting internship for this summer semester, I hope. The next step, to keep working towards my bachelor degree in accounting. And the last one step is to take self-study courses to acquire knowledge in Opera System and Oracle program. And by the end of this process, those steps, I hope I will get the job in Hyatt Corporation. And I will be successful. Thank you so much for your attention. All the best. From Oksana Slivko.